Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use a SmartDraw. This is the SmartDraw for beginner. So here, SmartDraw is a unified visual collaboration app that combines diagramming, whiteboarding, and data into one enterprise-friendly solution. Let's click this site. So here we go. To start, just simply click Start Now. And here we go. This is the new document that you can select, but don't forget to log in. You can sign in with your account. Like for example, you want to create blueprint like floor plans, residence, floor plans, commerce, organization charts, flow charts, engineering, elevations, CAD and drafting, software design, IT and networks, and so on. So let's try with the floor plan, the first one. Here you can choose residential floor plan, bathroom layout, kitchen design, and so on. So here we go. This is the example. You can open it to get inspired. And here, for example, the kitchen design, just click it. And here again, you are now logging in order to avoid losing your work. You should create an account so your work is saved permanently. And here we go. This is the tools. So the first one, here you can try to select the tools, like select multiple, select A, and so on, like unit scale, architectural, metric, and so on. This is the shape. Maybe you want to draw a shape here, like a square or something like this, and also line, curve line shape, connector, polygon line, and here maybe not perfect, you can undo. And here we go, like dimension and errors. This is so completed, so you can try to add text also. And here you can add wall, like interior wall here and here. So more or less you can try by yourself, and after you think this is done, you can try to export by click this export button, export for office, visual app or FSDX, PDF, vector, PNG, and JPEG or image, standard image, or even SmartDraw itself. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click this button below. See you in the next video.